Some athletes train their body, others train their mindset. The strongest athlete isn't always faster, he's just mentally ahead.
Oh my god, viewers, this video is absolutely insane. I've started another powerful sports niche channel using a 100% free AI tool, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these viral sports shorts step by step. First of all, open YouTube and search for the channel called Biter Films. This channel has gained amazing subscribers with only around 200 videos uploaded, and if we look at their popular shorts, you'll notice that the entire channel focuses on sports-style content like running, fighting, kickboxing, football competitions, and many other intense sports moments. The crazy thing is that many of their shorts have reached millions of views because the videos are highly engaging, fast-paced, and visually powerful. Now, without wasting any time, I'll show you the master prompt that I already prepared for you guys. Inside this master prompt, you'll get Character 1, Character 2, AI image prompts, AI video prompts, and even professional voice-over prompts, all written in a super detailed and clean way. You can find this complete prompt in my description, so don't worry at all. After copying the prompt, open AI's ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. Instantly, the AI starts creating complete scenes one by one, including character prompts, image prompts, video prompts, and voice-over scripts. The best part is that all the characters remain consistent throughout the entire story, making the final video look extremely professional. I've created scenes based on kickboxing, football competitions, and many other sports concepts similar to the viral examples I showed earlier. Every single prompt is unique, detailed, cinematic, and designed to help your shorts go viral. After generating everything, simply copy the prompts, save them inside a document file, and then move toward the image generation section. Okay, viewers, now for the image generation part, you simply need to open Flow AI. Viewers, this website is completely free, and honestly, this is the same platform I personally use most of the time for generating high-quality AI images. Once the website opens, simply click on the Create with Flow option. After clicking on it, create a new project, zoom in properly, and from the image section select the Nano Banana tool because this tool uses 0 credits and is completely free to use. Alright viewers, now I'm going to paste my very first prompt here and click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first image has already started generating, and the percentage progress is visible right in front of you. You only need to wait around 1 to 2 minutes maximum and just boom. My first image is now ready. You can clearly see that both character parts have been generated perfectly. And honestly, the result looks amazing. Now what I'll do is simply copy the second image prompt from my document file, go back again, paste the prompt, and click on Generate once more. As you can see, my second image has also started generating successfully. Again, you just need a little bit of patience and boom. The second image is also ready now. After this, I'll continue the exact same process for the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9th and 10th scene by copying and pasting each prompt one by one so that all the images can be generated properly. And now, just look at this, viewers. All the final images are completely ready. Every single image looks extremely unique, cinematic, and professionally designed. In some scenes, you can see football competitions, in others karate battles, intense fighting preparations, and even running competitions. Every scene has a completely different vibe, which makes the overall content look highly engaging and viral-worthy. Now I'm simply going to download all these images one by one because the next step is converting them into animations. So make sure you save every generated image carefully on your device. And the exciting thing is that today I'm also going to teach you how to generate AI videos directly inside Flow AI without needing any extra platform. Plus, the best part is that Flow AI gives you 50 free credits daily, which are easily enough for generating around 5 high-quality images every single day. Okay, viewers, now let's move toward the video generation section. First of all, I'm simply going to drag my first image here from the top. After uploading the image, I'll move to the video section, select the frame settings properly, and then copy the first video prompt according to the scene. After pasting the prompt, I'll click on the Generate option. And now you can see that my first image has officially started converting into a video. Just look at this process, viewers, and boom! Oh my god, you can already see the final result of my video. This looks absolutely amazing and incredibly cinematic. The motion, the action, and the overall quality look super professional. Now what I'm going to do is select the second image, choose the correct scene, paste the second video prompt, and again click on the Generate option. As you can see, my second video has also started generating successfully. You only need a little patience because usually it takes around 1 to 2 minutes maximum for the final output. And boom! My second video is now ready as well. Just look at the quality, viewers. The AI has created such an amazing and smooth cinematic result with almost no effort. Oh my god, this is honestly so good. Now I'll simply select the third image, copy the third prompt, paste it inside the video prompt section, and click generate once again. And as you can see, my third video has also started generating successfully. Again, you just need to wait for a short moment, and boom. My third video is now completely ready. All 3 videos were basically created in just a few clicks, which is honestly crazy. And the best part is that Flow AI is completely free, so you don't need to worry about paying anything. Now viewers, I also have another powerful AI tool for you, and this tool is also 100% free. The name of this platform is Digen AI. Let me open it and show you how you can get free daily credits. Simply sign up or log in using your Gmail account, and the moment you log in, you'll receive 120 free credits instantly. You can clearly see it on the screen right now. I'm not joking at all. And the most exciting thing is that the platform keeps adding 120 new credits daily, which means you can continuously generate AI videos every single day for free. Alright viewers, now let's move into the video section inside Digen AI. After opening the video generation area, I'm going to use the Real Motion 3.1 Turbo model, the first one here. Then I'll upload my generated image inside the image section, and after that I'll paste my video prompt inside the prompt section. For a 5-second cinematic video, it only uses around 20 credits, which is honestly very affordable considering the quality. And now you can see that my AI video has officially started generating. The platform says it will take around 1 minute for the final result, so you just need to stay patient for a little while. And boom! My final video is now ready. You can clearly see that the entire cinematic animation has been generated in literally 1 click. This is exactly why I showed you this second tool as well, because now you can continuously create multiple AI videos again and again without worrying too much about limitations. Alright viewers, now we are finally moving toward the last and most important step, the editing section, where we'll combine all the clips together and turn them into a fully viral sports short ready for YouTube. For editing, you simply need to open CapCut. After opening CapCut, I'm going to drag and import all the generated videos here into the timeline. Once all the clips are added, I'll trim and cut the unnecessary parts where there is no voiceover or extra empty space. After that, I'll use the scale option to slightly zoom in on the clips so the final result looks more cinematic and engaging for viewers. And now you can see that all my videos are completely ready inside the editor. Now I'm simply going to export the final video. Alright viewers, I really hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable from it. And I also hope you like today's AI tools, especially Flow AI, because it is completely free and incredibly powerful for creating AI content. My goal is always to bring you the best 100% free AI tools so that you can create amazing content without spending money. So don't worry at all, viewers. Just stay consistent, keep practicing, and keep creating. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.